Bring back Captain Nagase. Don't make us have to give her a posthumous 2-rank promotion.
We've succeeded in tracking down Captain K. Nagase's distress beacon. We will now launch a combat search and rescue operation for the captain. Captain Nagase is currently on the run from an enemy patrol. Although she's being pursued, her distress beacon is still broadcasting. This transmission is extremely weak, so we cannot confirm her location unless we get closer to the source of the signal. Follow the signal to find Captain Nagase's concealed location as quickly as possible. Once you find her, report her location to the Sea Goblin Helicopter Squadron. The helicopter search and rescue team is expected to face stiff opposition from enemy air and ground forces. After the helicopter team picks up Captain Nagase, provide air support for them as they airlift her out.
Which plane am I going up in, Captain?
Captain, which plane should I use? We're launching with this formation, then?
War Dog, launch.
This emergency locator beacon is our connection to Nagase. Let's hurry up and find her. Hang in there, Nagase!
Roger. Activating semi-active radar simultaneously.
Pay attention to the changes in the signal's pitch and tempo.
Right. I'll try to get a bearing that has a better response.
Kid, do you understand how to view the distress signal sensor on your HUD? Okay, just checking. Make sure you don't miss Nagase's signal.
I'm okay. I can keep going.
Hey, Blaze! Did you see someone below us just now? I thought I saw someone moving. Maybe it was just my imagination. Enemy planes above. You see them?
Protect Blaze. I'm the one being protected.
Captain Nagase. Kay, please, be safe.
We don't have any time! The enemy's right there! I found footprints this way. It's those guys we saw before. Graham, hurry up! Nagase's in trouble!
Sea Goblin to War Dog leader. I'm horning in on your signal.
The signal's changing. Looks like you're gradually getting closer to Captain Nagase.
I'll shoot down every single plane that comes near the helicopter.
Whoa! There's still enemies on the ground!
Don't worry. We'll take your princess back to base safely.
You do that, and I'll worship you guys.
Did you find Captain Nagase?
This is Sea Goblin. We're moving to the scene as fast as we can. Let me know when you've confirmed Captain Nagase's position.
Hurry up, guys! What are you gonna do if the enemy catches her?
Calm down. We're going as fast as we can. This is Sea Goblin. The enemy's targeting us.
Over here. I'm the one you want.
Enemy fighters! They're coming this way!
Don't take any chances. You'll get shot down yourselves.
We'll just have to count on you if that happens.
Fired. Activating guidance. I can't dodge it!
Fox 2, Fox 2.
Missile evaded!
Hey, so this Captain Nagase, is she a looker?
Why don't you rescue her and see for yourself?
If she's hot, I'm asking her out.
Well then, you can find out how tough her guard is too. Come on, just hurry up, will you? Please?
There's a sea goblin. It's too hot here. 6 miles. Enemy force advancing. Can you take them out for us?
Roger that. You take care of the rescue.
Target hit!
These guys are too good. We can't win if we go head on.
Is the rescue team back yet? Did they pick her up?
Fox 2! 4 miles. We're gonna have to rely on you on the ground. Pull through for us, okay?
Roger that. We owe you one from yesterday.
Enemy plane shot down with the captain's help.
Kobold, you deal with the pursuing units. I'll go save the princess.
That's definitely her. I can see her flight suit from here. Don't take them on by yourself. Climb and fight from above.
2 miles.
Hold on, I got your back.
Kid, you out of special weapons ammo?
He's at your 6 o'clock. Break right. Shake him off. Hurry. Sea Goblin arriving at designated point momentarily. Damn it. I think the enemy helicopter spotted the pilot.
Missile coming this way!
Nice kill.
All right, prepare to drop. Don't make her wait any longer. Everyone ready? Go, go, go!
Rescue team dropping from helicopter. I was really worried there for a while.
You got a towel? I need to wipe all this sweat off my brow. Say, Blaze, I think that song would be perfect for a time like this, you know? Yeah, Face of the Coin. I love that song.
Our combat search and rescue of Captain Nagase was a success. We're having a physician check on her condition right now.
When the rescue team found her, she was holding captive a group of soldiers who were sent in to capture her. Behind her was the helicopter crew that crashed while trying to rescue her. She had saved them, treated their wounds, and hid them in a safe place. I needed to rethink my image of her after this, after seeing her amazing toughness and tenacity. She even managed to obtain a little information from the soldiers she captured. It seems the people of Yuktobania were also beginning to have doubts about their leaders in the current war. And word of Nagase's squadron was getting around, as the force that sunk 2 of their most powerful submarines. The Yuk Army's soldiers had nicknamed them the Demons of Raz Grease. She was obviously very proud of that when she told me about it later. Perhaps her pride was for Captain Bartlett, the man who had trained them, or maybe it was for her current captain. However, nobody in the upper echelons of her own army was proud of them. Bartlett was still missing, and that made his old trainees the subject of suspicion and criticism.